The Doogee Blade 10 Ultra versus the Hotwav Cyber 15. Which of these two rugged phones is equipped with the best specs? In this video, we're going to find out. These two rugged phones are among the cheapest rugged phones in the market. The Cyber 15 is sold for about $185 on AliExpress, and the Blade 10 Ultra is expected to cost less than $200 as well when it's officially released. Anyway, let's compare the top specs of both rugged phones. So there we go, guys, the Cyber 15 versus the Blade 10 Ultra. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.